Hi, I'm Joshua Nelson. This is my channel On Schedule. On this channel, I'm going to share with you my 15 years of project scheduling experience. I've spent all of that time in an outage or turnaround situation where I've scheduled very large projects. I'm going to walk you through how to use some of the industry-specific scheduling software like Microsoft Projects and Primavera P6. Not only do I teach you how to use this software, I have a consulting company that fully focuses on project scheduling for our industrial clients. So please like, follow, subscribe, share, and learn everything you need to know about project scheduling.